Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your cloud services with Rackspace, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of securing cloud services. Identify your cloud services provided by Rackspace. Access your Rackspace account through the official website. Navigate to the Security Settings section of the dashboard. Review the current security configurations in place. Implement two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Regularly update your passwords and ensure they are strong. Check for any available security patches or updates. Utilize Rackspace built-in firewall features to protect your data. Consider using virtual private networks for secure connections. Establish user roles and permissions to limit access. Regularly audit logs to monitor for any unauthorized activities. Set up alerts for unusual access attempts. Employ encryption for sensitive data both in transit and at rest. Utilize Rackspace backup solutions to safeguard your data. Develop a disaster recovery plan in case of data loss. Educate your team on best security practices. Conduct regular security assessments and vulnerability scans. Stay informed about the latest security threats and trends. Utilize Rackspace customer support for any security-related inquiries. Ensure compliance with regulations relevant to your industry. Review and revise your security policies regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.